In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can use MobaExterm to RDP to a Windows server. So to get started, you want to launch a MobaExterm, select Session, here select RDP, specify the name of your host. I'm connecting to an AWS instance, your username, and your port, which is 3389. You have the option to select advanced RDP settings. However, I am not going to make any changes to this, right? So select OK, enter the password for the user, and select OK. So here, I've been successfully logged into my Windows machine using MobaExterm. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.